Ground faults are a pervasive problem in solar installations, especially in our DC arrays. But let's talk about the basics of what a ground fault is. A ground fault is an unintentional connection between a current-carrying conductor, like our DC positive or negative, and a grounded metal part. And that could be anything from the frame of a module to the racking, maybe it's inside of a combiner box or an inverter, or in metal conduit. There are many causes of ground faults, and most of them stem from poor installation technique. Ground faults can be caused by wires rubbing against a sharp corner of a piece of racking or a module, or maybe the wiring was damaged during installation where the wire rubbed up against the edge of a conduit. Either way, ground faults are a safety hazard. There's current flowing to the ground. That means that metal parts may be energized. Also, high-resistance ground faults can often be arcing, and arcing creates heat and sparks, which can lead to fires. Ground faults also reduce the performance of the system. If current is flowing to ground, it's not going to our inverter and creating power and energy. So it's important that we repair ground faults so that our system is performing up to its maximum capability.